Good evening and welcome to the Financial Report. Asian shares slipped to 7-week lows today after a shocking rise in U.S. inflation sent bond yields surging and stoked fears the Federal Reserve might move early on monetary tightening. Consumer prices for goods and services surged 0.8% in April, the largest monthly jump in more than a decade. The 4.2% year-on-year increase reached its fastest rate since 2008. The acceleration in prices raised concerns that it could weaken the economic recovery from the pandemic recession. The Hang Seng Index dropped to its lowest level since March 25th, as inflation in the U.S. reared its ugly head and roiled global markets. Bunchnea reports.
Tektronic Industries contributed most to the benchmark's decline, plunging 9.5%. China Mengniu Dairy bucked the downward trend, rising almost 3% after Danone finalized its 15.4 billion Hong Kong dollar sale of its approximately 10% stake in Mengniu. On the day, the Hang Seng Index shed 1.8% to close at 27,718.
I think in the short term, the Hang Seng Index are still facing the selling pressure and will be downside just near to the 27,000 point. Will have a strong support in this level.
The Shanghai Composite also retreated on the higher-than-expected U.S. inflation, closing down 1% at 3,429. The materials sector tumbled as the government called for measures to deal with fast-rising commodity prices. Bunchnea, TVB News.
Reeling in tandem, the Hang Seng Tech Edge breached the 7,600 level after plunging 3.33%. It's a bloodbath among the Tamil's actives except Mengniu. China Evergrande Vehicle cascaded a notable $3.85 or 7.5% to its one-month low at $47. Tencent also deflated $18 or 3%. Meituan meanwhile shed $3.60. Also closed in the red are Alibaba, Ping An, and Xiaomi. Tesla says it will no longer accept Bitcoin for automobile purchases. The announcement comes just months after Chief Executive Elon Musk said the automaker would accept Bitcoin, sending the cryptocurrency's value soaring. Musk cited long-brewing environmental concerns raised by Tesla shareholders. Bitcoin mining uses vast amounts of electricity generated by fossil fuels. The price of Bitcoin plunged as much as 17% after the announcement to below $46,000. It recovered somewhat in Asian trading to move above $50,000.